everyone! Всем привет! Welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood. I'm so excited to have you in my kitchen today because I'll be showing you how to make these baked piroshki which don't require any yeast in the dough, as some of you have been requesting that. And these will be stuffed with mushrooms and rice. And these are quite healthy. I really love piroshki. I eat them all the time. I love them especially with a bowl of hot soup or like a little snack on the go. So I hope you make this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I want to reach 100,000 subscribers, and all you have to do is click the subscribe button and then click the notification bell. This way you will get updated every single time I upload a new video. Okay guys, let's get started! We're gonna make our dough. Add your eggs into a stand mixer, then add sour cream. Then you want to add butter. And mix everything together on a low speed until all the ingredients combine. The butter should be nice and soft at room temperature. Then increase the speed until the mixture becomes nice and pale, and at that point you want to start adding your flour. Add a little bit of flour at a time and mix on a medium speed until the dough starts to come together. This process will take 10 minutes or so. Just keep adding flour until your dough stops sticking to the KitchenAid mixer and is nice and elastic and super easy to work with. You'll be able to see how it looks. So place it onto your counter with some flour. Knead it a few more times with your hands, just like that. And because we don't have any yeast in there, it's ready to go straight away and you don't need to do anything else. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click through, click on the picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. Next, you want to make your mushroom filling. Cut your onion into nice small thin pieces and then add butter and your onion into a pan. We're going to fry this until it's nice and golden and caramelized. Then you want to add your mushrooms and mix everything together and cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Add salt and pepper and some garlic powder if you want, and mix everything until it's done. Add mushrooms into a large bowl, then add your cooked rice and then chop up your eggs. I already pre-boiled my eggs, so it's quite fast and easy. Add everything into a large mixing bowl and then you want to season it well with salt and pepper and mix everything together. The mixture should be nice and smooth, just like that. Take your dough, cut it in half using a cookie cutter, and then in half again, and we're going to pinch a little bit on top and roll out into a small ball. We're going to use our rolling pin and move it up and down until you get a nice shape like this. Then you want to add about 1 tablespoon of your filling inside, and then pinch the dough from the top going around the edges and then all the sides until you have completely sealed your pirozhok. You want to make sure it's quite tight so you don't have the filling coming out from anywhere and it's nice and sealed in there. So it should look just like this, very nice and cute. You can also control the sizes of your piroshki and make them smaller or bigger as you like. I'm just going to show you one more time how to make this, and it's very easy, so enjoy the process. Spray your baking sheet with some cooking oil and then add your piroshki on top. You want to line them up all together and then use some egg wash on each pirozhok and make sure it's nice and coated evenly around. Then we're going to bake these for about 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit, or until they're nice and golden. You will be able to smell them, I promise you. Once your piroshki are done, they should be nice and golden, and it's best to eat them straight away from the oven while they're hot and delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and you try these and let me know how you got on. Thank you for watching.